The passenger compartment of the Evoque remained stable in the frontal offset test. Dummy readings indicated good protection of the knees and femurs of both driver and passenger. Land Rover showed that a similar level of protection would be provided to occupants of different sizes and to those sitting in different positions. Protection was good for all critical body areas of the passenger. In the full-width rigid barrier test, protection was good or adequate for the driver and the rear passenger. In the side barrier test, protection was good for all critical body areas and maximum points were scored. Even in the more severe side pole impact, protection of the chest was adequate and that of other parts of the body was good. Tests on the front seats and head restraints demonstrated good protection against whiplash injuries in the event of a rear-end impact. A geometric assessment of the rear seats indicated marginal whiplash protection. The Evoque has a standard fit autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system which scored maximum points in tests of its functionality at the low speeds, typical of city driving, at which many whiplash injuries occur.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.